Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's make leaderstats script. The script is in the description. If script not worked, just tell me in comments. First step, go to Server Scripts array and add script in Server Scripts array.
Rename it to the leaderstats.
And copy the script in the description. If you want to disable SetAsync, just delete this script. Test it and save your experience. If you want to make shop, just watch part 1 of the tutorial. Okay guys, maybe the video ends here. Bye all. May always keep you healthy.